Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for shhhhhh.com. We are back in Las Vegas. We are still at the Cromwell. We just moved down one floor to room 606. We were on the 7th floor just to give you a different room style and a little bit better of a view. We kind of moved up a little bit more towards the front, the strip side of the property. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Again, 2-queen room this time. And I just wanted to give you a peek at what these rooms look like now, because come early 2026, as I mentioned in my other video, Lisa Vanderpump will be taking over this property. I'm so excited about that because this hotel has always had its own vibe, really cool, and the decorating is really on trend here, or it was when it first opened. So now I'm looking to see what Lisa Vanderpump does with this, because I have really, really high hopes. I think it's going to be amazing. But as you can see, it's kind of a cool property, just a little dated. You might want to get here before it changes hands in case you never have. But if not, I'll give you this peek at it now so we can have a before and after, because I am so looking forward to the change. It is time. But again, Cromwell has a really cool vibe, great staff. These rooms are spacious. I love the hardwood floors, and the furniture in these is pretty unique and cool. But again, ready for a change. It has been a while, and it's kind of cool to see new things coming out of Vegas. So there is a look at that. These rooms, the bathroom's really spacious. Just, they do have a cool decor to them. You can get a peek out the bathroom window here over at Horseshoe and the Paris area, and I'll give you a better look out at the view in just a second. When the Cromwell first opened, I remember the decor and the vibe was just big news, very on trend, very, but it's been many years. So it's going to be cool to see what they do with that. It is a really cool property, as you can see. It's just got some super unique, kind of boutique-y hotel type feel to it. Just some little touches. These little makeup mirror desk areas are kind of cool. You have your little light up mirror over here. So anyway, kind of a cool property, and again, just going to be really cool to see what they do with it. But what I really wanted to show you is the view from this room. These are fake balconies, you can't go out onto them, but you can get a little bit of the Las Vegas Strip in here, and especially at night. So I am going to come back and show you what that looks like at night, because as far as the Cromwell goes, these are some of the best views that I've found. Kind of a cool way to just get a peek out there at everything that's going on in Vegas. So again, here is a look at a 2-queen room on the 6th floor, room 606, here at the Cromwell in Las Vegas. This is a Caesars property. So there you go. I wanted to give you a look at this because it's all going to go away and be something new, and that's kind of exciting too. So let's go down to the casino area so I can show you. It just has a different feel to it, right? The property itself, even the casino, the restaurants, the bar, just a little bit different vibe, fragrance to it. I've always loved the smell of the Cromwell. Just a little bit more luxury, boutique-ish type. One of my very favorite things is the Starbucks that is in the back of the Cromwell, or front, I guess, if you will. One of the least crowded Starbucks on the Strip, so keep that in mind. Instead of waiting in a huge long line, just come to the Starbucks here at the Cromwell, and the staff at the Starbucks here is amazing. Great job. So we're going to walk out right now. So you can see Flamingo. That will be into the Strip. It's a great location, close to so many things. Now I'm back in by the front desk. Right behind the front desk at the Cromwell is the gym, and it's always empty, but it's a pretty nice sized gym, and you kind of have a lot of options in here. So we'll walk you around here and show you that. I think a lot of people maybe don't even know about this, because it does seem less crowded to me than the other hotel property gyms. So I wanted to point that out. And again, kind of excited to see what they do with these spaces when Vanderpump takes over. Now, back up in the room, I wanted to show you this view because it is really cool. And again, if you watched any of my videos, I love, love, love a good view. It's just a great way to get the whole Vegas experience. And this is a pretty good one. So hard to film a little bit because those big lights coming over from Ole Red and Bottled Blonde that way, but so awesome to be able to just look out your window and watch the fountains. Super cool. So we will keep an eye on this property and I will update you as we know more. But just this room in particular, kind of cool. You could kind of watch everybody going over the walkway and then watch these fountains, take it all in from here. Not a bad view at all. So again, all the details I will leave down below. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for shhhhhh.com.